How about being your own boss in 2025? Have you ever thought about that? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways that you can be your own boss. Yeah. So, if you're tired of 9 to 5 and you really want to be your own boss, this video, I'm going to give you 5 business ideas that you can start straight away and become your own boss. The very first idea is freelance services. You can learn how to do graphic designs. You can learn how to do editing. If you also know how to write, this will be a good option for you. What it actually means is you turning your skills into profit and use them to make money. This is how to be your own boss. Now, the second option is selling digital products like ebooks. You can sell templates. You can also sell courses. So if you have digital products to sell, like the ones I just mentioned, that means you're your own boss. You don't have any inventory to do. You don't have anybody to be answerable to. You are the boss of your own. So that takes me to number 3. Number 3 is drop shipping, guys. I've been talking about drop shipping on this channel for a long time. Drop shipping is so easy. You don't even have to have your own product. You don't have to import anything. All you need is just start posting products that you like, products not that you like, product that your customers, your audience would like, products that are selling, that are going viral. And anybody who is interested, they pay you, then you just give their address to wherever you're getting those products from. They send them directly to your customer. This is drop shipping, guys. No stress, nothing. So what platforms can you use for drop shipping? You can use platforms like WooChat. You can also use Shopify for drop shipping business, and it does pay. Now, the fourth one, guys, is local services. What does local services mean? If you have people around your area where you live, and you might just do a little flyer, you know, like distribute it, tell them you can help them do some cleaning, you can help them do some ironing and stuff like that. You can help them do gardening. Guys, you get those jobs, they pay you, and you are the boss of your own. When you want to work, you work. If you don't want to work, you don't want to work. You're not answerable to anybody. And the good thing about this particular one is the fact that it is easy to start and it is low cost. So it's hassle-free. That is the best way I can put it. This is so hassle-free and low cost. You don't need money. You don't actually need money to start this particular one. Now, the fifth and the last one, guys, on my list is content creation. Yeah. So how does content creation give you money? So many platforms now are monetized. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram. You can use Instagram to sell your product, but Facebook is monetized, like the content, the videos you put out on Facebook. When people watch those videos, you get paid. Yes. Not just your Facebook page being monetized, but the videos, the content itself is monetized. Now, TikTok also is monetized. Did you know on TikTok, people can watch your video and give to you? Yes. People can give to you on your video. That's why I keep saying it. Make sure you create valuable content. Evergreen content. Create valuable content. Like, concentrate on giving value to your audience. That's where you don't know who will watch your video and give to you. And there are other ways that you can make money on TikTok as well. And another platform that you can also use to make money is Facebook. No, not Facebook. I've mentioned Facebook. Another platform that you can use to make money is YouTube, guys. But one thing with YouTube is, for you to be able to monetize your page on YouTube, you must have up to 1,000 followers or subscribers, and then you must have 4,000 watch hours. That is 4,000 views. Yes. So this is it. The moment you get past that threshold of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you're good to go. You're just gonna sign up with their monetization program, and that's it. So these are the 5 easy ways you can start making money and be the boss of your own. You will not be saying sir, sir, sir to anybody. Now, this is where I'm going to leave this video for today. I hope you find value in this particular content. If you did, please don't forget to follow me. Share the video. You never know, somebody you know might need this piece of information. And do save it and give me a thumbs up. Now, I hope this helps. You're welcome.